Hello guys, welcome back in our technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to fix especially GSM carrier lock on any iPhone device. So if you are using Apple device and if there is GSM carrier locks, then how you will wipe out it completely or how you will fix GSM carrier network locks. So see guys, for it just you need to download this tool. This tool links I will give you below the description box. Of course by one click you will be able to download it. After downloading, no need to install, just simply go for run as administration, and after run as administrator simply just you need to connect your data cable. And now see guys, it has been connected, but it's very important things that I need to tell you guys. Yes, it will be functional on a only when if your device is jailbreaks. So how you will jailbreak of any Apple device within 1 to 2 minutes. This video link I will give you below the description box. Of course you will be able to by watching within the 5 minutes explore how you will jailbreak of any Apple device. And after jailbreaking, of course you need to come here guys after connection. Now see carrier unlock GSM fix, and I will click here. Now phone my has been restarted, and of course finally any kind of the GSM carrier locked, this has been completely fixed now. Of course now you can insert your SIM and you will be able to, of course, enjoy your as a previous one new device GSM networks on your Apple device. So this is all about it, this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.